I think we've been doing enhancement for a very long time. For example, every time we send our kids to school, we're enhancing them in some form. Changes are taking place in their brains, we hope, because of the enhancement that they're receiving in their educational systems. Of course, every time we vaccinate people, so they'll be more protected against horrible bugs going around, we're enhancing them from what they were before. So in a sense, we're all involved in enhancement of some kind. That's very, very different, of course, from the idea that the transhumanists have, that we might be able to have enhancement in our own genomes and our own DNA in such a way that that was passed on to our progeny. Now, that's a very different kind of question. Now, to me, I think I would certainly want to draw a line between vaccination, which is a good and positive kind of enhancement, and to manipulating the human genome in such a way that those changes might be passed on to our progeny. Because when you think about it, that might or might not be good for those individuals that receive that enhancement, but their children don't have any choice in the matter. Why should I be in a position of trying to control what the next generations might think of not enhancement at all? They might be extremely upset with me for even thinking about it. So I think it's a very dangerous and slippery slope to get into the idea that we should be involved in enhancements of the genome in such a way that they would be passed on to succeeding generations. As it happens, the human genome is its own protection against that, because we're not encoded by just one gene. It's not as if we have one gene for music and one for playing cricket or football or something like that. We're very complex beings, and we need all those thousands of genes to operate together so to make up the person that we are. So the genome is its own protection against manipulation, simply because it's so complex, and I don't think it'll be possible actually to enhance human beings that easily.